Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today I'm going to share a secret with you. A secret that most people over 70 have never been told, yet it has the power to transform your body, protect your memory, and restore your strength in ways you may have thought impossible. For years, seniors have been led to believe that building muscle after 70 is nearly impossible, that weakness, fatigue, and sluggishness are just part of aging. But that is not the case. Modern science has uncovered a simple, natural vegetable protein that can help you rebuild your muscles, stay energetic, and maintain independence, all without expensive powders, trendy supplements, or complicated routines. And the best part? This food isn't exotic or rare. It's sitting quietly on your plate right now, waiting to reveal its true potential. Before we dive into the countdown, let me give you a warning. If you click away before the end, you will miss the #1 vegetable protein that could completely replace eggs in your diet and in some ways go far beyond them. This is the ultimate key for keeping your muscles alive, your strength intact, and your energy high after 70. So stay with me. Your future self will thank you. Let's start our journey at number 9. Okra. Okra may look ordinary, but it's a quiet hero for muscle health. A cup of cooked okra gives you about 2 grams of protein. Not a huge number, but its real magic lies in how it helps your body absorb and use the protein you eat more effectively. The secret is in its soluble fiber and mucilage, a thick gel-like substance that soothes the digestive tract, strengthens the gut lining, and ensures your system pulls in nutrients efficiently. Because here's the truth. Protein only matters if your body can absorb it. Okra also contains antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress, the hidden enemies that wear down muscle tissue and leave you feeling tired. And let's not forget magnesium and potassium, minerals that help muscles contract smoothly, prevent nighttime cramps, and keep your energy steady throughout the day. Cooking okra is easy. Stew it with tomatoes and garlic, steam it until tender, toss it into soups, or even roast thin slices until crispy. In many traditional homes, okra is more than just a vegetable. It's comfort, a gentle friend that supports your independence and mobility. Number 8 is asparagus. A cup of cooked asparagus carries 2 to 3 grams of protein. But its real power is choline, a nutrient that keeps the communication between your brain and muscles smooth and coordinated. When choline levels are low, steps feel shaky, hands may tremble, and reaction time slows. Asparagus helps maintain that vital connection, keeping movements fluid and safe. On top of that, it's rich in folate and vitamin E, which improve blood flow, help repair cells, and keep muscles energized. Its natural diuretic effect gently removes excess water without depleting essential minerals. Seniors who add asparagus to their diet notice smoother movements, better energy, and improved endurance in daily activities. Moving up the list, number 7 is lentils and beans, humble but incredibly powerful. Lentils provide around 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, and they also release energy steadily throughout the day. They are packed with iron, B vitamins, and essential amino acids, which deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles efficiently. When your muscles are nourished, you recover faster, stay stronger, and move more confidently. Lentils and beans are easy to cook in soups, stews, or salads, making them a perfect addition to your daily meals. Number 6 is chickpeas and peas. These little legumes are protein-packed, full of fiber, and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for sustained energy and muscle function. Chickpeas can be roasted for a crunchy snack, tossed in salads, or added to stews. Every bite helps keep your muscles fueled, your energy consistent, and your movements smooth. At number 5, we have quinoa, a supergrain often overlooked. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for growth and repair. A cup of cooked quinoa delivers around 8 grams of protein, along with magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus, which support muscle function, energy production, and bone health. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can replace rice or pasta in any meal, giving seniors a simple way to increase protein intake without relying on eggs or meat. Number 4 is spinach and leafy greens. While low in protein compared to other foods, leafy greens are packed with nitrates that improve blood flow, antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, and minerals that support muscle and nerve function. Spinach helps your muscles receive oxygen faster, recover more efficiently, and stay resilient against the fatigue and weakness that often accompany aging. Enjoy it raw in salads, sautéed with garlic, or blended into smoothies. There are countless ways to incorporate these greens into your diet. Number 3 is edamame and soybeans. Soy protein is rich and complete, containing essential amino acids as well as isoflavones that help maintain muscle mass and bone strength in older adults. A cup of cooked edamame provides about 18 grams of protein, comparable to eggs, but with additional compounds that reduce inflammation and support overall health. Edamame is delicious steamed, tossed into stir-fries, or enjoyed as a snack, and it provides your muscles with the building blocks they need to stay strong and active. Number 2 is nuts and seeds, including almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with protein, healthy fats, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for reducing inflammation, maintaining nerve signaling, and supporting brain health. Nuts and seeds also help prevent energy crashes, giving seniors consistent vitality throughout the day. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an easy and powerful daily boost. And now the number 1 vegetable protein, the one that could completely replace eggs in your diet and in some ways surpass them, is peas in all their forms. Peas are a complete plant protein, rich in B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. They are easy to digest, support muscle synthesis, and provide steady energy for the entire day. Research suggests that pea protein can be as effective or even more effective than eggs for maintaining muscle mass in seniors. Split peas in soups, fresh peas in salads, or pea protein powder in smoothies can all be simple, practical ways to nourish your muscles, protect your bones, and restore strength. Now I want to emphasize something important. Building muscle after 70 isn't about chasing high-protein powders or fancy shakes. It's about choosing the right foods that reactivate your body's natural ability to build and preserve muscle, and making sure each meal works harder for you. By including these vegetable proteins in your daily diet, okra, asparagus, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, leafy greens, edamame, nuts, seeds, and peas, you can experience improved strength, better coordination, less fatigue, and a renewed sense of independence. Start today. Add okra, asparagus, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, spinach, edamame, nuts, and peas to your meals. Embrace the power of plant-based proteins and watch your body respond. Your muscles, energy, and independence are not gone. They are still there, waiting to be rebuilt, one meal at a time. You are never too old to regain strength, protect your memory, and feel vibrant again. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making simple, powerful choices that support your body. Each time you choose one of these foods, you're giving your muscles the tools they need to fight fatigue, maintain strength, and help you live a life full of movement, joy, and independence. These foods aren't just nutrition. They're a form of medicine that works quietly, consistently, and powerfully. So don't underestimate the humble vegetable. The right choices at your table today can lead to stronger muscles, fewer cramps, more energy, and a sharper mind tomorrow. Make these plant proteins a permanent part of your life, and your body will thank you in ways you might not even imagine. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the Senior Hub now, like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay connected and receive daily tips that help you stay strong, mobile, and full of life after 70. Every small step counts, and every meal is an opportunity to reclaim your strength, protect your memory, and enjoy the freedom you deserve.